X5M is a car that I was thinking of replacing my M5 Touring with. Actually, it's really not that bad. What's the power? It's like
624, I think.
Yeah, 620. And the weight?
2.5 tons, I think.
Yeah, but it like what I really like about this is the compliance of the suspension compared to the M5 Touring or M5 in general. You have so much more travel, and that helps to absorb that 2.5 ton weight. And the space is probably big. Like, oh, you like it?
Yeah, lovely.
Yeah. No, I liked it too on track. I mean, I don't know what else to say. It's like pretty much stock X5M PS4S tires with the star mark, so specifically for BMW, and it's quite grippy. Some carbon bits here and there. It was showing the warning, watch out for worn brake pads, but they are good all around. I checked them before going for a lap, and now you can see them after going for a lap. They got a bit warm, but that's what we've done, of course. So yeah, that's all there is to it, I guess. Enjoy the lap. Zu wenig. How many cars do you have? Too little. There's never enough cars in life. And on that note, good morning. For me, it's a good morning. It is now afternoon, but it's my very first lap of the day because it was snowing. It was cold and wet, so it made no sense to go out before. So on the safe choice, we have this BMW X5M. We put everything in M mode, sport mode. Traction is fully off. We're all-wheel drive sport, and let's have a go. I'm pretty curious. I don't remember driving an X5M. I probably have done one last year or so. I know definitely I've done an X6M modified, but yeah, this should be nice. We have some small loose stuff in the car, like some plastic bottles, some peppermints, something's in the trunk, but then again, it's like not really a full sand lap. I'm curious about driving this car because, again, although I don't really remember driving one in the recent times, the dilemma that I had is which BMW should I get next for myself, because the contract that I have with BMW for M5 Touring is expiring soon, and I should get something new. M3 Touring was for me my favorite car, like, ever in life. You're only allowed to overtake on the left side, therefore you should let people overtake you on the left side. Yeah, M3 Touring was for me the best car I've ever had, but as a family man, it was a bit of an issue because you couldn't fit a lot in it. I mean, it's weird complaining because I grew up in Soviet Russia. It wasn't Soviet Russia, but yeah, being with as a kid, we had a Lada, and we could still fit the whole family in there. So nowadays, complaining while having a car that's significantly larger is a bit weird, but then again, I think we're allowed to complain. But M5 Touring is fantastic in terms of size. Yet again, it would be nice to try something different. So let's let this E46 behind us pass. It would be nice to try something different, and I was thinking like X3M or maybe like X5M. But I haven't tried the X5M in the recent days. That's why I'm driving it here to see if that could be my next car. Who knows? And then again, nothing beats an E46 after all these years. Come on, chop, chop, chop. There then. Someone is calling me. I think it's a friend of mine who brought me some car parts. Yeah. I guess I'm just gonna be quiet now because I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's quite a handy SUV when it kinda can keep up with a much lightweight and track-oriented E46 M3 plus the G series ahead of it. We cannot fully keep up, but then again, we're also on PS4S tires, not on Cup 2s. Do you have Cup 2s even in this size? Do you even want to have Cup 2s in this size? Actually, I like the comfort while still driving it pretty fast. It's really nice. Yeah. Come on. The only thing what I dislike, which is the case with a lot of modern cars, is of course the speaker sound. But the rotation is really good, even for the weight, because what's the weight of it? Is it even heavier than the M5 Touring? Oh no, airport rental! How can you tell? Well, if it's a very civilian car with HH or Munich license plate, it's very likely. Oh, that's a big jump. Oh, the Marshall car almost killed the Eagle. Someone is really like non-stop calling me. I wonder who needs me this much in life. Quiet and enjoying the scenery. It's good to know that the track is dry and empty, so we can actually take out some more capable cars in a bit. One of them is actually going to be an E46, thinking of the E46 ahead of us. That was actually very nice, the Vipperman challenge with this car. Whoa! So, what happened there, he was looking behind him in the mirrors and not ahead, and then he looked ahead and he saw that he was almost going off the track. I drive with this car, the better, the more I get used to it and the more I like it. I might like the driving, the suspension for as a daily much more on this than on the M5 Touring. The biggest complaint I had with the M5 is that it's too stiff. But this is actually nice. So yeah, but the problem with getting this car is there's quite a long waiting time if you spec it, and I need one quite soon. First world problems to have, but just telling you because the X models are being built in US. So it takes time till they get shipped here to Germany. So yeah, there's that. Overall, I enjoyed it. Overall, yeah, I liked it. So, don't know what else to say. It was a nice wake-up lap. I hope you didn't mind. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. This is very, very cool. Yeah, just need to wake up a bit more. And again, since, as mentioned, it was snowing, it was cold, wet. Right now it says it's 7.5 degrees, so it's not temperature is still good. Yeah, since it was cold, I was taking it easy, just to scan out track conditions. Now I can go a bit faster. So yeah, thank you. Bye bye.